A few nights ago, we had a blood moon eclipse, and it got me feeling witchy, dark. And I thought, I'm going to lean into this feeling and do some goth makeup. For my base, I'm going to use the Westman Atelier foundation stick. This is the most mattifying full coverage foundation that I have, and I think every classic goth look, or goth inspired look, starts with a matte foundation. I don't know if any of y'all have been to a Hot Topic lately, but Hot Topic today looks nothing like it did in my youth. I remember going in there with my goth friend Ellie and being terrified, in a good way. I definitely wasn't wearing any of the stuff that would have been sold in a Hot Topic, but she was. She had on big pants and a slipknot shirt and a spiky collar and lots of facial piercings. And my preppy ass felt very intimidated. But it was really fun going in there and seeing the wall of shirts, all the different colors of hair dye and piercings and bondage stuff. It was cool. And I felt cool just being in there. Now, Hot Topic is like very inviting. They have lots of Funko Pops and nerd stuff, a lot of IP collabs. It's cool, but in a different way. Continuing with Westman Atelier, I'm going to use their Face Trace Contour Stick. No bronzer for this look, obviously. And no blush either, but I do want to chisel out the hollows. I did have quite a few friends growing up who were alternative in some way, but they didn't really stick with it into adulthood. Whenever I see adult goths, I think it's very cool. Sometimes for teenagers it's just a phase, but when you live and breathe it into adulthood, props to you. Let's powder this bitch. This is the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores setting powder. We can't have any dewiness or hydration showing. We cannot imply that we were ever in the sun. For the eyes, I'm using this Ulta Beauty eyeshadow in Late Night. It's black. I don't really have a plan for this, so we're on this journey together. I'm going to pack this onto the lid and see what happens. More. Let's bring some of that to the bottom lash. More. Victoria Beckham Satin Kajal eyeliner in black. Let's do the other eye. That's a little uneven, but so are my eyes. Mascara, Thrive Causemetics, you know the one. I'm going to use this NYX Line Loud lip pencil in black, and here we go. I'm going to blend it a little. It doesn't really want to blend. No worry, I'm topping it with this Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick. Oh yeah, there we go. That's what I wanted. And now for the finishing touch. What do you think? Can I join your coven? I love it.